Adventist pioneers, tutol daw ba sa Trinity? Ito ay part ng mga documents na ginagamit at kinakalat ng mga nagpapakilalang Adventist pero anti-Trinity. At kapansin-pansin ang mga statement ng ating mga pioneers that they contradict Trinity. Pero notice na ang definition nila ng Trinity ay iba sa ating definition. If you can convince me that we are one in the sense that you are my Father and I your Son, and also that I am your Father and you my Son, then I can believe in Trinity. We have a deity which has one body and three heads. It is not very consonant with common sense to talk of three being one and one being three. Therefore, yes, they contradict the term Trinity. But it's not the same Trinity that we have right now. Ang Trinity na kanilang kinokontra ay isang version ng Trinity na nagmula din sa understanding ng Roman Catholic Church na iisa ang katawan pero may tatlong ulo. O kaya naman, iisang ulo na may tatlong muka. Yan ay malinaw din sa sinasabi ni R.F. Cottrell that one person is three persons and the three persons are only one person. Therefore, lumalabas ng kinokontra ng ating early pioneers ay maling definition about Trinity, which is kahit tayo ay kontra dito at hindi yan ang stand ng ating church. In fact, hindi na ito bago sa atin dahil tulad ng illustration natin, maraming religion na ngayon ang agree sa Sabat, pero sa kanila ang Sabat ay Sunday. O ibig sabihin pala pwedeng gumamit ng theological term pero ibang meaning. Yan ang nangyari sa ating early pioneers. Gumamit sila ng term pero iba ang meaning na kinokontra nila, kaya sila against dito.